Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rey Del Mundo Royal Series. This is a La Casa de Habano edition. Let's have a look. These cigars are from November 2023. Purchased here in the UK from Cigars Limited. Probably the biggest and the best cigar place, also the most expensive, but nonetheless they have the best quality and they have the best service, super quick. Let's open these up and have a look. So like I mentioned in my previous video about the Romeo Julieta Cupidos, these also come in the new type of packaging that Habanos are making. They call it the special packaging. They have an outer box, inner box, a varnish box inside, and only 20 cigars. There's no more 25s when it comes to all the latest releases I'm seeing. They all come in boxes of 20, not 25. Again, like I said, it's all about the money, not so much about the cigars themselves, and all about the presentation. Let's take these out. So you have the outer velvet packaging. Again, it's made in Cuba, totalmente a mano, totally made by hand. You open this up and you have here this foam protector to protect the beautifully varnished box. Let's pull this out. And there you have it. You've got the Rey Del Mundo beautifully over here, the Royal Series, all varnished, beautifully decorated with the La Casa de Habano logo over here, Rey Del Mundo. On the side it also says Royal Series, and the bottom is made with velvet. To open the box, you press the button. Then you have the usual Habanos, the EMS English Market Selection, imported by Hunters and Francow. You've got the piece of cedar wood. And then you have the sheet of paper, a small humidity pack. Then you have the cigars. I've already tried one of those. These cigars are 50 ring gauge by 6 1/8 length, so they're quite long cigars. Very nice. A brand that is, I would say, less of the common brands in Habanos, but still a really enjoyable smoke. These will obviously, like we always say, get much better with age. So I always like to try one and then let them to sit a little bit and see how they go. Have like one every half a year and see exactly what they taste. The hinges are made out of gold plated and they have Habanos logo. Overall, the presentation is second to none. It's beautiful. It's got all the vibrant colors. It's very colorful. But like I've mentioned before, I'm not a fan of all of these extras. I like smoking the cigar for what it is. I don't like having anything else on it. Oh, I forgot to mention, this fell out from the top. This is the you know, when you greet it when you open the box, it was stuck to the back up here, and you have all the information about the cigar. Very nice. But yeah, overall, I would prefer if Habano just made regular cigars, not special productions, and just, you know, cigars for people to smoke and not increase the prices like they are now. Ever since the Chinese have bought into the Habanos portfolio, the prices have just been increasing, and they're saying that I believe that some of it is true, but not all of it. They're saying they have problem with production in Cuba, therefore they have to raise the price, blah 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 blah. But I find that most of it is just a way of getting the customers to pay the premiums that they are looking for the cigars, and I think that's not right. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.